It's been so blasted hot lately that I have neglected some of my gardening chores. So today we're going to make up for that. We're going to start with harvesting the garlic, and I'm really excited to see if we get a good harvest. I don't know. We'll see. I've never grown hardneck garlic before. Welcome to Grow Preserve. I'm Carter. I'm so glad you're here today. Alright, so we're going to head down to the garden in just a minute, but the neighbor's dogs are down there, so we may or may not be able to talk. And I wanted to share a story with you. Gardening, canning, preserving of all kinds, cooking, whatever, those are not new things to me. Those are things I've been doing for ages. But YouTube is still relatively new. I started a little less than a year ago on YouTube, and so the business of YouTube, the filming, the editing, all of that is still like, oh, goodness. So I got an email from one of the YouTube extensions. It's just, I know it does analytics and that kind of stuff. And they said, we have a new AI tool that could analyze your channel for you and tell you, where you need to do more videos, whatever, right? So, fine. So I clicked the little button. And let me tell you first, I'm 59 years old. So this little AI teenager comes back and says, the majority of your viewers are 45 years old and older. So you should consider videos on geriatric gardening. Seriously? Okay. So here I am. I'm cursing this AI thing, going, what are you, 12? Anyway, so today you're going to get some geriatric gardening, and that would be me harvesting garlic. That's about as geriatric as I can get for you. So anyway, I hope you enjoy it, and I'm really glad to have you here. So I'll see you in a minute. Alright, we're going to go for it, see what we can find down here. Woohoo! Look at that! That's pretty exciting. Alright, let's see how much more we have. I'm going to take you down so you can watch. Oh, that is just awesome. Just awesome. Bees are not happy with me for digging up their garlic. Another one. They're not monsters, but I'm pretty pleased with that size.
We were made for each other to hold on to. I was carved out of bed beneath your moon. I was birthed in the mountains under the sun. Something's changed. You can't see my face in the crowd no more. Something I was birthed in the mountains under the sun. Something's changed, you can't see my face in the crowd no more. Something's changed, my face in the crowd no We were made for each other to hold on to. I was carved out of redwood beneath your moon. I was birthed in the mountains under the sun. Something's changed, you can't see my face in the crowd no more. Something's changed, you can't see my face in the crowd no more. Something's changed, you can't see my face in the crowd no more.
Did I say earlier about it not being hot out here? It is toasty. So I wanted to show you the rest of my harvest. I have 3 cabbages in there, the last of the sprouting broccoli. I have a bunch of peppers, and on the next round these will all be left on the plant a little bit longer to get a little bit riper. But right now I want to take them early so that I encourage more growth. I don't want the plant to think it has done its job before it's done. So I have a handful of peppers, which means we're going to get probably some quick pickle peppers. I have harvested a bunch of mint. I have, what else do I have in here? I have oregano in here. I have rosemary in here. Ooh, I have a green worm in here. Yuck. Oh, and I pulled out for our dinner tonight 1 onion. It's not very big, but none of them are very big. I'll tell you another story, as long as I'm telling stories today. I came out the other day, and it looks like something had eaten all of my peas, all of them, and most of them they even shelled, and they left the shells down on the ground. So that was kind of sad. And then I had my sweet potato slips out here acclimating to the sun, and they nibbled all the leaves off those. So those are back under the grow lights now. I don't know if they're going to make it or not. I sure hope so, because I'm past time when I want to have those in. And then I think after all that snacking, they went and they took a nap in my onion bed, because all my onions, and they're not ready. It's not like they're ready and they fell over. They're not ready. They're just, it looks like a big old deer or something just took a nap in my onions. So I figure I'm just going to harvest them as I need them, and you know, we'll see how the final harvest is. But I also want to make sure that I get everything processed as quickly as I can, which is why I brought in the herbs. We're just going to keep going. I love mint, so that's one of my favorite things. I actually prefer it fresh, but we're going to have some dried. So there we go. I have a busy day today. Thanks so much for being with me. I love it when you're here. I know we don't do a lot of gardening videos. My thought is that based on the numbers, you guys like the canning videos more, and the pickling and fermenting and those kind of videos more. But if you want to see more gardening, I'm all for it, as long as it's not so darn hot. Oh my gosh. Anyway, I'm going to take my harvest in. I'm thinking with all this cabbage, maybe a little egg roll in a bowl tonight. And I have, so I got the onion to go with that. And then I have the chicken teriyaki that we made the other day, so I may try that in place of the normal, you know, pork or ground beef or ground chicken or whatever I may use. So that might be kind of fun. And that's it. So please like the video, share it, comment, I don't know, whatever, subscribe, anything you want to do. YouTube seems to really love that, and I love it, and I appreciate all of you. Thanks so much for being here. I am going to go home and sit in front of the fan.